My old late 70s Wayne wood chipper has not started in a while. I suspect that it's the notorious Chrysler electronic ignition module. That thing right there. Seems like they're good for about a year. Also replaced the ballast resistor here. That's important. I don't even know what that thing does. And the wiring's crappy. And I tried to solder it, but it just won't take. It's too cold out here or something. We're gonna see if we can get it to pop. Hear the fuel pump? Here we go. Well, that's disappointing. It's all fail all the time around here.